Isa lang volume lang. Ay, volume. Zero. It has a goo inside. I like it. And it's coffee. Woo! And it's strong. And I like it. Pakalangan ako ng mama, so I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna eat it mamaya. But for me, it's like a 10 out of 10. I like the bitterness. It's not like dark chocolate na naglalast yung bitterness. It's just there, tapos alis na siya. I heard that before, pero yeah. Yun ang bitterness niya. Ito. Rate ko naman yun namin yesterday. Kasi I did not rate yesterday. Pero look at this. I don't know. They got red. Like, yesterday. Na nag-flare up na naman siya. But it's fine. Nilagyan ko siya ng pimple. Pero I wore purple swimsuit. Pero pumunta kami sa bundok-bundok. And it's so malubak. Tapos, hindi pa siya build. Tapos, meron lang little sapa. It's not big. And, sabi, kala ko magsiswimming. Pero, we just tampesaw. We did not swim. And, yeah, we did not swim. But, we did eat lang. Ganon. Pero, naka-picture naman ako. So, it's fine. So, rate ko yung place. It's not done daw yet. It's gonna be ours. So, rate ko yung place mga 3. It's not done. It's not ano. Pero, we eat lang. Food. Anong ginawa ko? Nag-OOTD lang. I-insert ko na lang. Like, insert somewhere. Nag-OOTD lang ako. Kasi I wore purple top. Galing kay Joanne. I really love that. Tapos, purple top and black na shorts. So cute. I really like that shorts. Pinang-alis ko na yun sa shorts. Pumunta kami ng Dangwas ni Zarko. Like, it's so pretty. Gusto ko nga yun maging sa bike. Tapos nakaganon lang. Like, ala! Oh, pero like, yeah. That's my rate. 3/10 that day. Natulog lang ako. Kinilig ako nung... Ay! Ano na siya, oversharing na siya. So, it's not. Yeah. That was the day. Okay, now rate this day. Like, look at that outfit. I touched up. Cute. I really like this top. First time I wore this top, you know. I really like this top. It has a lot of memories now. I like it. So, yeah. We went sa resorts. 2 resorts. We went first sailing lang. It's so mahal. It's 1,300 like for a boat. We did not swim. We just took ang OA ng people ko na. We just took a boat. Tapos umikot lang kami sa lake halfway kasi it's too big to exceed dun sa dulong-dulo. So, we did that. Rate ko yung experience na yun. I mean, I've been on a boat multiple times. Even in a yacht naman. So, it's no bago. Mga 2 out of 10. It's mahal, pero meron ako nakitang mga not naka-RB. Isa lang ata naka-RB. Naka-MTB. Like, kating-kating na akong mag-bike kamo. Kahit fixie, MTB, RB, kahit ito. Pero like, hindi ko magawa. Kasi ang tawag dito? Mag-bike. Kasi wala, nasa Manila yung bike ko. So, sabi ko, hindi na lang kaya ako sasama sa boat. Tapos, manghiram na lang ako ng MTB. Like, super, ang ganda kasi ng, like, pababa. Lusong ata tawag doon. Ahon sa pataas lang.
Pasok. Kwenta ko eh. Bakit? Pasok. Boyo.
Oo, tatanong doon. Ito. Tapos na dyan. Ito sa pinong. Para lang. Nakyan na. Yung may loading. Yung hindi. Mainit na ako. Di ba yun? Paintbrush. Ano? Paintbrush first. This is very good. Hindi naman. Hindi naman. Tara. Ay, huli kayo. Huli! Hello. Can I cover? Oh, you're fine, that's it. Ano ba?
Possible?
Ayaw mag-save. Sabi na internet na sa 10 minutes, hindi pa rin 30. Ito na yun. Ano sa long? Hindi ko tayo. Let's see the triggers. Here. Do I like that? Wait, I'm gonna let's see the video. Just, please. This.
Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful.
Tama yan. Ginagaya mo si Nolan. Tama. Ano? Aaron?
Yeah, beautiful.
Ay! Ang galing! Galing!
You are beautiful.
Ay, magaling! Tama! Tama!
You are beautiful.
Hindi ko po sila tinitreat. Ah, yes, we are beautiful. Sa'yo naman, you are handsome. Diba?
You are beautiful. Beautiful.
You're beautiful.
You are beautiful.
You
Sabihin niyo
are
na, candy please.
Beautiful.
Gusto mo candy?
Candy please.
Meron akong candy.
I want candy. I want candy.
Pwede sila candy, ate?
Teka mo, ginalaw nila.
Na-off na naman.
Eh, malamig na kanina eh.
Aaron did it.
Pwede sila. What did you do? Ba't ka nandito lang? You will sleep na?
And I go up there and I sleep and sit it in the morning.
You gonna sleep up? You can't? You gonna fall? Fall?
No, I won't.
No, you won't?
I'm balanced.
Balance?
Yeah.
Ay, hindi ko malagkit mo naman. Ligo ka na. Ligo?
No.
Hindi ka na. Ligo.
Ay, tingnan mo oh.
Why no ligo?
Kasi pinakailangan nila eh.
I'm beautiful. Ay, pawis na.
Turn off ko muna.
Hindi ka lang daw marunong, sabi niya.
Ako pa hindi marunong, di ba? Napaaga na ako nga kanina. At least lumamig. Swing. Swing, swing, from the
Ano to? Ito Airbnb or hotel?
Yeah.
Airbnb. Is there may wifi?
Nakita mo ba yung wifi?
Asa takbo ba? May extender dito sa taas. So,
Ay, yun lang.
Happy birthday to you.
Yun ang
Cha cha cha.
Baka naman meron. Kasi siguro.
Kasi
Cha cha cha. Happy.
look at that. I gained weight.
I might accidentally go fast.
Where did they come from? Yay! How long have you been videoing? Enough?
Madilim na.
Hala, itong helmet na lang.
Kuya, makikita pa yung mayon.
Rate ko yan. The Airbnb here. 10 out of 10. It's so spacious. Ano ba the lighting? Like, wala lang pimple. Like, tourist trap here. Time check. It's 2:10, I guess. my waist after ilang days here in Bicol. That's not even gained weight.